How to redeem EAFC24 code. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started. So what you want to do is simply search for EA.com. And once you are here on the website at the top, you can already see this sort of like profile picture. And here you want to sign into your EA account. Once you are, you'll be brought back to the main page again. And then at the top, you can now see your own profile picture of your EA account. And what you want to do is click on there, then click on account settings. And then here you are inside of your settings. Now here you can also see redeem product code on the left middle, basically. So if you click on there, this will pop up and here it says product code. So it says where to find your code. So here you can see examples of where you can find your code. But basically here you want to paste in your product code, then click on next. This should redeem your EAFC24 code and it might not work immediately. You might have to wait like 5 minutes or 30 minutes before it is completely redeemed and you can actually download the game. But yeah, that is basically how to do it. So that's how to redeem EAFC24 code. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and I'll see you next time.